Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to talk on another important and useful library of Python, that is Matplotlib. In today's lecture we are going to talk on the introductory part of the Matplotlib library along with its features for better understanding. So let's get started. Matplotlib library is a plotting library for the Python programming language, and this library is particularly used for data visualization. Now the question arises here, what is data visualization? It is the process of translating the numbers, text or large data sets into various types of graphs such as histograms, maps, bar plots, pie charts, etc. Because for visualization we require some tools and technologies, and Matplotlib provides us that facility. This library became one of the most extensively used plotting libraries alongside the Python programming language for data and computational graph plotting. The sole purpose of plotting graphs was for better visualization, because visualization always helps in better analysis of data and enhances the decision-making abilities of the users. This library was created and coded by John D. Hunter in Python programming language in 2003. This library was born in the scientific area of computing, where Nuplot and Matlab were used a lot and are still in use. This library is mostly written in Python, and a few segments are written in C, Objective-C and JavaScript, and that is because for platform compatibility. It is a platform independent library and can be run on Windows, Mac operating system and Linux. Matplotlib library is used along with other open source libraries such as NumPy, SciPy and IPython. It is always said that a picture is worth 1,000 words, and with Python's Matplotlib library, it fortunately takes far less than 1,000 words of codes to create a production quality graphic. Now let's focus on its features in detail. Matplotlib library helps in visualizing and analyzing the data and helps in better understanding of the data with the help of graphical or pictorial visualizations. One of the greatest benefits of visualization is that it allows us visual access to huge amounts of data in easily digestible visuals. That means this library is used to create high quality graphs, charts and figures, and consists of several plots like line, bar, scatter, histogram, etc. as you can see in the figure. This library uses an object-oriented API to embed plots in Python applications, and this library produces publication quality figures in a variety of hard copy formats and interactive environments across platforms. One of the most important features of this library is its ability to play well with many operating systems and graphics backends. Matplotlib supports dozens of backends and output types, which means you can count on it to work regardless of which operating system you are using or which output format you wish. This cross-platform, that is everything to everyone approach, has been one of the greatest strengths of this library, and it has led to a large user base, which in turn has led to an active developer base and Matplotlib's powerful tools and ubiquity within the scientific Python world. Matplotlib can be used in Python scripts, Python, IPython shells, web application servers and various graphical user interface toolkits. The library provides a procedural interface called Pylab, which is designed to make it work like MATLAB. That is a programming language used by scientists and researchers, and MATLAB is a paid application software and not an open source. This library is similar to plotting in MATLAB as it allows users to have a full control over fonts, lines, colors, styles and access properties like MATLAB. Matplotlib Library along with NumPy can be treated as the open source equivalent of MATLAB. This library provides excellent way to produce quality static visualizations that can be used for professional presentations. It also provides compatibility with various of other third-party libraries and packages that extend its functionality. It plots in various formats such as PNG, PDF and PGF, etc. So in short, you can say that Matplotlib Library tries to make easy things very easy and hard things possible. The table containing important points related to the development of this library. So you can go through this chart, and that's all we have with the introductory part of this library. I hope you enjoyed the session. That's all. Thank you.